Hello everyone. I'm coming with a chill video today. We're going to try to make sourdough starter. So I have a little scale here that I got when we ended up fostering puppies and actually needed to put them in a bowl to weigh them because they were so tiny. So I've got 50 grams of water, and it's just regular tap water that I'm weighing out here, putting it into a little serving dish, and I've got a clean just plastic container here that I'm using. So we're going to go ahead and pour that in there. So when you tare your bowl on a scale, you might have wondered what that means, what that button means. What it means is you put the bowl on, hit tare, and then it automatically changes it to 0, so that you only calculate now the weight of what's inside that bowl. So what we're doing here is we're taking 60 grams now of all-purpose flour. Bread flour would be best to go along with something like this, but I just didn't have any, and we're just using whatever's on hand. So we're going to go ahead and put that in, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So once we have our water and our flour, we're going to grab something to mix it with, and we're going to mix it until just combined. So you've got a sort of sticky, floury goop kind of going on here. And what we're going to do is we're going to lightly cover it. So I did allow some room for air to get in, but just for nothing to fall on top. And we're going to sit and leave that for a couple days before feeding it, which I will probably do an update on and maybe do a little series on successes and fails with this sourdough experiment. Now, I did already start another one, but as I'm going to show you, it is very wet and goopy and not really bubbling up the way it should. I was following a recipe for this, but at this point, we're just experimenting. We're creating a live culture of yeast that's going to help leaven bread and give that tang that sourdough has. Isn't that right, Milo? So all I did for that one is I added a little bit more flour to it, and I'll update you in a few days. And at this point, he barks and then summons the legion of doggos. So thank you for following me on this journey. See you next time.